Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this cute summer hairstyle with this pack of afro kinky synthetic hair. And listen, I've already braided my hair, but do not watch how it looks, because let me tell you, this hairstyle is going to turn out so cute and I'm sure you're going to love it, and you're also going to want to try it. I think I got 6 pack of hair and I've only used maybe like 4 and just a little bit. So I still have some hair remaining. So this hairstyle is pretty straightforward. I'm just going to be crocheting the kinky, afro kinky hair at the back of my hair to achieve the look that you've seen in the introduction of the video. And after I'm done doing that, then you're gonna see how I achieve the look at the top. So I'm not gonna talk throughout the entire video because this hairstyle is pretty easy and straightforward. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lati Alicia. And if you guys are not new, welcome back. So if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video after it's completed. Please also remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post my next video. I have so much more content coming for you guys. So after this video, after you've watched the video, let me know in the comments what you think. And also let me know if you have any questions regarding how I achieved this look. So I'm just going to let you guys continue to watch how I achieved this look. And also go ahead and like the video after, leave your comments. And let me know what you guys think. So I've done a lot of crochet here on this channel in the past, a lot. So if you guys don't know how to crochet, let me know so I can go ahead and make a detailed video just to show you how to crochet from scratch. I really love crocheting. It's easy, it's not time consuming, and you could just do a crochet hairstyle on the go. So I'm using Shine and Jam, and I'm using this braided this jam that's good for braiding hair. I bought it on Amazon maybe like sometime last year and I really loved it. And so those are the two that I'm using today, a little Shine and Jam and a little of this product that I'm using. If you guys know of any good hair jam, hair wax that can hold my hair, you can also go ahead and leave it down in the comments and let me know, because I've tried so many and I've had issues where in 2-3 days time my hair is starting to get loose and then it just doesn't stay. So you guys can go ahead and leave them down below and let me know. If you guys are new, as I said before, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. One thing I know about me is that I'm actually good at doing these cute hairstyles, and when I do them I always get compliments of how cute they look and how girly they look. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more of this hairstyle for you on my channel. As I said, this video is pretty straightforward. As you can see, I just part my hair in two, one at the back, one at the front. I braided my hair at the back and I crocheted the kinky hair at the back, and then I just section off my hair at the top in two. I just sleek each side. I sleek each side and then I braided the end of it. I wrap it around and then I use an elastic band over it. And I'm gonna be using my favorite edge control, which is a lot about the edge control. If you've been watching me for a while here on my channel, you know that this is my favorite edge control to use because I love the coconut smell. And I also love the fact that it's not flaky. It's a little greasy, which is good. Keeps my edges moist. I love that for me. Yes, so that's the one that I've always been using ever since. So what I'm doing here at the top is I'm just crocheting a little piece of the kinky hair, just one little piece from the bag. I'm just crocheting a little piece of it here, and then I'm gonna wrap it around my bun, and then I'm just going to twist it and just wrap it around. Very easy, very cute. And don't tell me that you guys cannot achieve this look, because it's not hard, it's not time consuming, and it does not take a lot out of you. And I'm also gonna do the other side just the same, and then I'll be done with this hairstyle. As you can see, I'm just touching up the side of my edges and the side of, you know what I mean. Yes, because I want to ensure that this hairstyle comes out the way I want it to come out. So there you go, guys. There's really not much to say about this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and like the video, leave a comment, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please turn on your post notification bell. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll sure to see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. I'll leave some links down below if you guys are interested to purchase my books on how to become a wig influencer, and also my wig influencer vendor list. Go ahead, the link will be down below. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.